Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a bit different and incredibly important. We're diving into a topic that affects millions of users worldwide, getting your Instagram account hacked. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize the importance of staying calm and acting swiftly. So, if you're ready to tackle this issue head-on and safeguard your Instagram account from future threats, let's jump right into it. But first, I will talk about an incident which happened recently. A girl named Ira fell victim to hackers who gained unauthorized access to her Instagram account. Surprisingly, Ira primarily used Instagram on her mobile phone, only she never used it on, say, desktop or laptop anywhere. And while she is surfing Instagram, and she was quite actively engaged on Instagram, when all of a sudden she found herself logged out Instagram account, she was wondering that I have not logged out, I have not done anything on my own. How come that I'm suddenly logged out? Now hackers are posting some Bitcoin investment related post on her account. They have posted multiple posts and they are asking people that I have been benefited from, cryptocurrency investment, so you can also invest into it. What they want to do is they want to trap Ira's contact for investment in cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin. Now people who know that Ira's account has been hacked, so they will not fall in this trap. But context of Ira's who do not know that her account has been hacked, and they can see those posts, and they can get misled by seeing those posts, by seeing the post of hackers in which they are trying to trap Ira's contact, that they can also earn good amount of profit. How did this security breach occur? The answer is lack of adequate security measures on Ira's part. At the least, if Ira implemented two-factor authentication, even if the hackers had managed to gain control of her email, and she could have get notification alert Instagram that somebody is trying to change your email ID or somebody is trying to change the password, and once she would have received the alerts notification on her email ID or say OTP is on phone, then she could be alert. If your Instagram account has been hacked, it's crucial to take immediate action to secure it and prevent further damage. Here are steps you can take. Change your password. Access your account through the Instagram app or website and change your password immediately. Make sure to use a strong, unique password containing a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Set up two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password for login. You can enable 2FA in your Instagram settings under Security. Revoke access to suspicious third-party apps. Check and revoke access to any third-party applications that have access to your Instagram account. Sometimes, hackers gain entry through these apps. Go to Settings, Security Apps and Websites to manage these authorizations. Check for connected devices. Go to your Instagram settings and review the active sessions. Log out of any sessions or devices that you don't recognize or that seem suspicious. Warn your followers. Inform your followers about the hack through a different social media platform or another means of communication. Advise them not to click on any suspicious links or messages sent from your compromised account. File the complaint with the Instagram. That URL is help.instagram.com. So once you visit this particular link, a help page opens up wherein you have to provide certain information and report the matter to the Instagram. To be on the safer side, one should also register online complaint on Government of India portal, that is cybercrime.gov. And this is a portal provided by Government of India to register any kind of cybercrime which has taken place, whether it is related to hacking. If possible, if you have some screenshots of any messenger of your social media account, you should keep the complaint number that you get after registering the complaint in safe custody. So keep that into safe custody, because using that complaint number, you can check the status of your complaint, whatever action has been taken by the government or by the police. Stay vigilant, enable those security features, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on digital safety, tech tips, and much more. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure online.